Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you're looking for new ways to incorporate additional veggies in your diet, then you need this Spiralizer from Briefton. Our favorite way to use this is for spaghetti. So instead of using traditional pasta, we will take zucchini and make noodles with this. It's really easy to use. You have this cylinder with the little spikes on one side that you push the vegetable into, and then you adhere the other part of the veggie to the blade and you simply turn it and boom, you instantly have veggie noodles. One feature I really like about this Spiralizer is you have 5 different blades. So you have the blade that's on the mechanism itself, and then it has 4 different size blades that store underneath. There's a 2, 3, 5, and 7 milliliter blade, so you can choose the size and width of the noodles. And it folds up, so they've made this nice and compact so it doesn't take up a bunch of space in your kitchen. You have suction cups on the bottom and a lock feature to help secure it to your countertop while you're using it. Another bonus with this is I have gotten my children to eat vegetables cooking them this way as opposed to just chopping them. I don't know why that makes a difference, but I'll take it. So we love it. I think it's a great way to switch things up and prepare your vegetables in a new and fun way. And that's my point of view.